We start here very near the beach. These taverns and cafeterias are 50 meters away from the beach. We will go shortly there. So this is the place to eat. You'll see the food and the prices in the video that's dedicated to the whole town of Hanioti. The quality of the water here is at a very high level. The only negative thing that I have to say about this beach is that the sand is not as good as and soft as at some other beaches nearby. There are pebbles on the beach, and if you're fine with it, you're going to love this beach. As you can see, most of the beach is uncommercialized. That means you can use it free of charge. You just need to carry your own umbrella and something that you can sit on, like a towel or a chair or a big chair. There are bars also, and I think that the prices will not exceed €5 for a sunbed. Or in another case, you will be able to use it for free as long as you order something from the bar. The stay at this beach is very practical since there are all kinds of shops nearby, and in the town of Hanioti. So if you need a snack or a drink or some kind of a water toy for your kids, you can just, get it very, very quickly. So if you find our content useful, click the like button, subscribe for more honest reviews like this one, and spread the word by sharing the video with people that might find it useful. See you at the next destination, and remember, it's the journey that counts.